Let me show you all display settings available on POCO F8 Pro. So first thing that we're gonna do is of course go to settings, and then in here we should be able to find the display and the brightness. And over here we can find some basic stuff like the light mode and the dark mode, so you can choose whichever you prefer. And if you want to use both, it is not a problem as well, because we have the automatic switch to the dark mode based on the selected time of the day. We can also pretty much force dark mode in specific apps that are listed over here. Of course, the more apps you have, there's a high chance you will find them over here, but of course not every app is supported. Besides that, we have screen settings, so the screen brightness, the automatic or adaptive screen brightness, and the sunlight mode, which is available if you do not use the automatic brightness. Then we have screen settings, so we can toggle advanced textures. In color scheme, you can adjust display colors. So for example, you can enable adaptive colors, you can choose color pro or vivid colors. And of course we have color temperature. We have the reading mode, which is essentially a blue light filter which turns your screen yellow or orange in order to protect your eyes if you are, for example, reading at night from your phone. Then we also have the refresh rate, which of course can be set to default, and then your phone most of the time uses 120 Hz, but sometimes due to the increased battery consumption, the refresh rate can be dropped to 60 Hz. And of course, if you prefer, you can switch to custom and then pretty much force 120 Hz. So then even if the battery consumption is increased, you can still stick with the higher refresh rate. And also we have the option to enable higher refresh rate for apps. And then we have font settings. So over here we have the theme app with the fonts catalog, and you should be able to find a bunch of different fonts that you can use on your phone. And some of them are paid and some of them are free, of course. And then in font settings you can choose the font. You can also change the size and the width of the font. The width is not available for every font, sorry. I believe it is only available for MI Sans, but maybe there are some more fonts in the theme app that we can use in that case. And that is pretty much it in terms of display settings. Of course, for more visual changes, you can go to personalization in order to find some other stuff like always on display or the fingerprint effects and so on and so forth. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.